You have the blue, the green, and the city of Oslo in between.
OsloWay is an experiential travel company in Oslo. We are focusing on local experiences. We have a sightseeing on e-scooters. We have sustainable walking tour, boat experience. We also have a street food tour. We are focusing on hidden gems and the best local places to show people the true spirit of Oslo.
We are going now to Sandvika. You will have an underwater sculpture experience. And when people come to Oslo, we provide fun and most memorable experience. I personally like to show around and make people remember their stay in Oslo.